So you probably want to start a YouTube channel this year 2022, or you just don't know what to do, or tips and tricks about starting a YouTube channel. Honestly, I started my YouTube channel year 2020, and there are some things I kind of wish I knew before starting. Hi, I'm Feyio. If you're new here and if you're a regular family member, you guys already know who I am. Thank you so much for coming back always and supporting your girl, okay? It means a lot. Now, without further ado, we're just gonna get right into this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and if you're a family member you haven't subscribed, I don't know what you're still doing. Like, go ahead and click the subscribe button, boo. So before I started YouTube, I didn't just dive into YouTube without knowing what to do, honestly, because I was lucky enough to have a friend that was already a YouTuber. Shout out to Abigail, because honestly, during my early stages of opening a YouTube channel, I stressed that girl a lot, and she was one that kind of put me through, you know, what to do, how to upload videos, stuff like that. But what I didn't know when I was starting was that keywords play a vital role in uploading a video or in starting a YouTube channel in general. The reason why I say keywords are vital is it would help push your video to the public. You know, SEO keywords, like they say, search engine optimization. You upload a video with two titles. For instance, you upload a video with get to know me, random Q&A question. Then you upload that same video with a random title like who knows me or something like that. Which video do you think will get more views? It's the one that has get to know me Q&A question, because a lot of YouTubers have done videos regarding that, within that aspect, within that niche. So like that video alone self is already saturated in the YouTube market. Also, you should note that your title should not be more than 60 words in general. Honestly, I didn't know this, and when I started YouTube, I was always using longer titles, like way longer titles, like 85 titles, 85 words or something, and it really didn't affect my YouTube. But I noticed that ever since I brought down my video title to like let's say 60 words, I have seen a significant change, honestly. Always use tags, keywords in tags, meaning that, okay, so when you're uploading a video, if you scroll down through the options, you'll see where you can place in your tags. I think I'll put a screenshot here, but you see where you can place in tags. Tags help push your video forward. You guys have to understand, you have to use every means available to you to get your video out there, because yo, the street is hard. It is hard as it is. So you have to make use of every opportunity to get your video out there. Tags are like hashtags, but then instead of the hash, it's just normal tags that are like normal words that are separated by commas. So you put in, let's say, get to know me, Q&A, know me more, words that would help push your video. A tip that has helped me, or a trick that has helped me with my tag, is this website I always go to, keyword2.io. That website has helped me tremendously, because if I go in, I can just type get to know me and it will bring out a lot of tags that I can just copy. I'll just copy it to my clipboard and I'll go back to my YouTube description, post it. C'est fini. Who has time to be stressed? And the next thing you also need keywords in is description. What I mean is, you should not just come and be posting, let's say, putting in your description like copy. Let's say you're doing a get to know me question, get to know me video, and in your YouTube, in your description, you just keep on putting get to know me Q&A. YouTube will not even push your video forward. You have to put it in a reasonable sentence. When I say reasonable sentence, I mean you have to draft it properly. Let's say you're doing a get to know me video. You're like, oh hey guys, in this video you get to know me more. You, in that aspect, you have already put get to know me. That's already a keyword, you know. Answer random Q&A questions. Q&A is already a keyword. So you're indirectly you're infusing those keywords into sentences, normal sentences that will not be very obvious to the public, and will also draw your viewers, because let's be honest with you, viewers read description box. Let me tell you now if you don't know, because I watch YouTube videos a lot. So in your description you have to have like a format, like a template, right? You say what your video is about. Oh, hey, this video is so and so. Then you come down, you have like your music licenses. You know, people want to know what kind of music you're using in your video. You can input that. If you talked about something in your video, let's say a keyword, you can put that in your description box as well, so people can be able to click on the link and say, oh, okay, this is what took me to, you know, said website that Faye talked about. Do you get? And if you have other places that people can reach you, because okay, what if a brand watches your video and she suddenly wants to reach out to you? How would they get across to you? Would they start looking for, going to your bio to start looking for contact details? No. So you have to put your maybe social media handles down below, then a functioning email that people can reach you through, even not just brands, but like people like viewers that want to get across to you. Like, just make it more approachable, you know, get that kind of thing. So moving on to the next thing on my list is hashtags. I know I already spoke about tags, but the difference between hashtags and tag is that hashtag has that hash, that's, you know, that hashtag thing. So I was watching, I took a YouTube course recently, and they said you can actually put in up to 5 in your description box. So you can put it at the end of your everything that you want to say. At the end you can put in up to 5 hashtags, but YouTube will only show 3 hashtags. So let's say at the end of your description box, right, you put in 3 hashtags. When your video goes live, underneath that video, you know where they state how many minutes it has been uploaded. Let's say it's been uploaded 1 hour ago and how many views it has gotten. You'll see hashtags there. That would help push out your content. Next thing I'm going to be talking about is music. Okay, so when I was starting YouTube, like I said, thanks to Abigail, she kind of like told me where to be getting music from. So I was getting my music from YouTube Music Library. YouTube Music Library is fine, it's good, because if you're a YouTuber, you need to know that you cannot just be using any kind of music in your videos. You'll get copyrighted. Once you get copyrighted once, twice, 3 times, YouTube can deactivate your account. So you cannot be using just any kind of music in your video, like all this random music, let's say Burna Boy, Arasta's music. Sis, do you have permission to use them? When I was starting out, I was using YouTube Music Library a lot, and the reason I was using YouTube Music Library a lot was because I didn't have another choice. I didn't have like another option on where to get songs from, and there were okay songs from YouTube Music Library, yeah, like 3 songs that I kept on using consequently. But over time, I got tired of the songs that they were giving me. I got tired of the songs that I was finding there. So I watched Yechi's, she's also a YouTuber. I watched her video one day, and she just gave us like another place where you can find songs from, and that website is called thematic.com. It's going to be on the screen. So thematic.com is a website where you can get, they have like the premium plan, they have also the free plan, right? But the songs that are available to the free plan are not like wide, but even those ones that are available, you will like them. Like, there are songs that, you know, make sense. Do you get what I mean? Like, there are some songs that actually have words in it. YouTube, I've not seen a song that has words in YouTube Music Library on it. Maybe I haven't checked well, but I just haven't seen, right? But in thematic, you would find some songs that actually have words, like lyrics in it that you want to use for vlogs, right? There are normal instrumental songs that you want to use for sit down videos, or like just, you know, anything that matches your vibe and aesthetics. All you have to do is really use the license link. So when you're downloading the videos, they will show you where to download the links from, and all you have to do really is to put the links in your description box. Like, just put where your song is from in the description box. Finish. The next thing on my list is a very clear thumbnail. So like I said, when I was starting out, I already knew that I needed to have a thumbnail. But what I was doing at that time was I wasn't really putting into consideration how my thumbnail should look like. I mean, if I just shoot a video, I would really want to just like screenshot a picture from my video. Do you understand? Anything that like matched what I was saying or something like that. And which was fine at the beginning, but then I realized I actually have to be putting more thought into the kind of thumbnail that I put out there. You need to have a clear, crisp thumbnail that kind of depicts what you're showing, what your viewers want to see. You get that kind of thing. Next I'm going to be talking on is clickbait. Don't do clickbait. What you put as title should be what the video is about. If I see a title, my boyfriend does my makeup, I click on that video, I'm expecting that that person doing your makeup should be your boyfriend, right? But if I click on that video and you tell me, oh, he's just your guy friend, I will still watch that video, but I won't trust you as much. Do you get? Because I feel like you were not transparent with me, you were not honest with me from the start. That's where there's a problem. Do you get? So do not do clickbait. One of my vlogs that I did, I traveled to Lagos for 13 hours. I put it on my title, I traveled to Lagos for 13 hours, and I made sure that when I was uploading it, it was actually 13 hours. You have to be honest in what you're putting out there, because people that are watching your videos, they're not robots, so they're human beings. So if they're clicking on your video because of the title they're seeing, or because of the thumbnail they see, your video has to collaborate with what your title is saying. And the next thing I'm going to be talking about is power of playlist. If you do videos that requires to be categorized, then please categorize it. I'm the kind of person that goes to playlists. I would go to that person's playlist to see most popular, then maybe her vlogs, then maybe like sit down talks. So you kind of need to categorize your videos, put them into different playlists. I mean, there's an option in a YouTube channel, there's an option where you can put this video into like playlist. So YouTube automatically puts your most popular videos together. Like if a new person is visiting your channel, they will see the popular videos together, then they will see recent uploads together, right? YouTube automatically does that for you. But you need to go out of your way. Let's say if you have vlogs, put all the vlogs in one playlist and title them vlogs. If you have sit down videos, put all of them in one playlist, title them sit down videos. Do you get? If you have, for me, I did Camp Chronicles videos, I put all of them in one playlist and what I categorize them Camp Chronicles. That would make more sense to the new YouTuber that is visiting your channel and wants to. You'll be surprised that as this person is finishing one video, the person is entering into the next video, like, and that's increasing your watch time. Next thing I'm going to be talking about is watch time. Watch time is as important as subscriber count. So for you to get monetized on YouTube, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, right? Do you know that having your watch time is more important than getting subscribers? Is what I mean. If you get 1,000 subscribers, you still don't get monetized if your watch time is not up to 4,000 public watch hours. Do you understand? It directly means that if you have 1K subscribers, you may or may not still get monetized. But if you have 4K public watch hours, you can get monetized the moment you hit 1K subscribers. I know, mind blowing, right? I wish somebody had told me this when I started YouTube, honestly, because I would have just focused more of my time on what I put out here and the number of times that people watch my video or how long people watch my videos, because right now I'm just learning. So the next thing that I'm going to be talking about is be yourself. Let your personality show. Sis, if you are don't be somebody that you're not, right? If you're not a calm person, sorry, let me rephrase that. If you're a calm person, yes, if you're a calm person, be a calm person on YouTube. People will still watch your videos. So let your personality show. Don't be somebody that you're not. You don't necessarily have to know how to speak plenty English. Me, sometimes the kuku mommy, be who you are. If you have Yoruba intonation, please speak the Yoruba intonation with everything that you've got. If you have Igbo intonation, sister, do you, sis, bruv, okay? Don't wait for anybody. She get me insane. You understand my chronicles. The last thing I'm going to be talking about is continuity. When I say continuity, this is what I mean. So if you're talking in your video and you make a mistake, do you automatically stop shooting that video and start again? How big is your storage space? Because me, I would like to know, right? I learned this trick when I was starting YouTube. That was like a year ago. Yeah. So if you make a video, if you're talking right now and you make a mistake, you don't necessarily have to stop shooting. You can have maybe a breather, take a breather and say that sentence again. Or you can do what I do. So what I usually do is, if I make a mistake, let's say if I'm talking right now and I jumble my words up, because I tend to do that a lot, right? I would stop, 3, 2, 1, go, and then I'll say that line again, right? That's how I do it. So when you're editing your video, in the part where you're saying 3, 2, 1, go, you can just like edit that part out and join the continued version, you know, and then it makes your life easy. I don't know if you understand me, but like, this life really, I've really come to this life once, so you only live once. You cannot come and be killing yourself on top English. Go bossy. That being said, thank you so much for watching. I really hope I was able to say something useful. I felt like I was just talking. I don't know if I even spoke something that made sense, but let me know if you understood or if you took something home, what you learned from this video. If you're new to my channel and you have not subscribed, I really don't know what you'll be doing. Like, hit the subscribe button, boo, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.